discover those who belong. Witness monuments of human achievement. Consider the sacrifice and unwavering perseverance, meticulous planning and attention to detail, visionary leadership and tireless acts of labor, from engineering marvels to flawless production. Unwavering commitment to achieve greatness, massive endeavors that shape our world, unleashed by human potential. Progress is impossible without us. Us, defined as a collective of individuals with a sense of belonging. Belonging defined as a deep connection and shared purpose. People need a sense of purpose, and monumental feats cannot succeed without people. Let us help you find those who belong, those who fill the void.